Hey guys, and welcome to the Artisan channel. So, I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys already know about the Joy-Con drifting issue. It's been popping up everywhere since a couple of months ago, and Nintendo has gotten sued for that. Well, there's actually a very simple way to fix it temporarily, and it will last with you for months until you have to do it again. Aside from that, if you really want that issue to go away, then you have to disassemble it and then replace the analog stick yourself, in case you do not have the warranty. If you have warranty on it still, then probably you should just send it back to Nintendo and they'll give you a new one. And of course, some people go with the option of buying a new Joy-Con entirely, but in this video, we're not made of money, we'll fix it ourselves. So let's get right into that. Now, as far as I know, if you turn up this flap, you can see the mechanical parts of the analog stick. Now, if there gets any dirt or gunk in there, then you'll have the Joy-Con drifting issue, as far as I know. While you keep that rubber flap raised, squirt some isopropyl / PCB cleaning agent inside there. It will not cause any short circuits or corrode anything. And then move it around like you're playing a very intense game. And after that, it should be probably fixed for the next couple of months. And if that didn't do it for you, then probably you'll have to do the permanent fix that I'm about to do right now. So next up, we're going to do the permanent fix for the analog stick, which involves us disassembling the Joy-Con. I'll have links in the description for where you can get the spare analog stick for yourself. So flip over your Joy-Con to the back side, and you'll see 4 screws that are of the tri-wing type that Nintendo loves to use, which means you'll need a tri-wing screwdriver. Links are in the description once again. Step 2, we'll have to remove the back cover of the Joy-Con. Just insert your nail or a guitar pick to lift off the back cover from the front cover with the charging rails. You do not need to apply any force, these come off very easily. Beneath the battery, in the right corner, is a screw. Unscrew that screw, and then after that, we can remove the battery pack, and then we notice 4 screws. Unscrew the 2 golden ones and do not unscrew the 2 silver ones. And after that, we'll have to remove the plastic spacer, and underneath that, we'll find the back plate of the analog stick. Now, you'll have to remove those 2 screws that are holding it down, and also don't forget the FPC connectors. There are 2 of them. Now the analog stick should come loose fairly easily. Now grab the spare analog stick that you bought and replace it with the old one. Now we have to put the 2 screws back in place. And from here onward, pretty much it's the opposite of the disassembly. We're going to reassemble the whole Joy-Con. Screw back in those golden screws. Put the battery back. Fasten the screw below the battery. Click the back of the Joy-Con back on. And screw back the 4 tri-wing screws. And then you should be done. There is a small issue that sometimes happens with new spare analog sticks, is that it's originally off-center, but the Nintendo Switch has the handy-dandy calibration function that you can use to put it back in the center spot. Now let's do that calibration over there. You have to click on X. Calibrate. Now you follow the instructions written down there. Now release. Okay. Release. Up and release. And then you rotate it a couple of times. Now the calibration should be complete and the Joy-Con should be working like it should. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments down below. And I'll see you guys in the next video.